Well, we are adding brand new things here to the channel. FedEx just dropped off a package I've been waiting for a long time, and we're gonna do an unboxing right here with y'all. All right, well, here they are right here. We got two boxes. I am first gonna load these up in the car, and we're gonna drive them down to Cedar Swamp. I'm gonna do the unboxing there. Hola.
I'm gonna text you today.
You're gonna text me?
Yeah, I need an article.
Oh. What's up, brother?
Oh, see it.
That's your Dominion rod?
That is the Dominion rod. And we're doing an unboxing right here. I wasn't supposed to tell them that yet. They don't know what it is.
Oh, well, I did.
What I do now?
All right, so y'all are probably wondering why we drove all the way to Cedar Swamp to do the unboxing right here. Well, the contents of this package, she kind of already gave away a little bit about what that was, but the contents of these boxes right here will be sold right here at Cedar Swamp. So what better place to go ahead and unveil them to y'all and kind of show y'all what we got coming to the channel. All right, whip out the old sword knife right here. And these like rod boxes like this, never really know the right way to get into them. So we're just gonna kind of pop these staples out. That'll work. Got it. All right, so we got the tube opened up right here, pulling out a little piece of a rod. The main function of the rod is actually in this box right here. Got some more goodies right there. So what we have here is the Dominion's E-Rod Cloud, which is their jigging rod. They do have a lot of other rods. I'm gonna link all their stuff down in the description. I have partnered with them here. And Jeremy Lunch sent me this setup. We're going to be using it. We got a trip planned Sunday going out as well. So we'll be going out, putting this thing to use. But let me show y'all what's really, really cool about this, right? So this is a jigging rod, right? And when we're sitting out there and we're dropping in 900, 1200 foot of water, fishing manually, reeling in that much line is pretty painful. So decided to go with an electric setup. I do have a Daiwa Seaboard right here that we're going to show y'all in a little bit. We're going to rig that up. But the problem with electric reels is that you're going to have your cords laid out everywhere. You got to have extra batteries, things like that. And this rod is one of a kind in that the battery that powers the reel is right here in the rod butt. So all I got to do is take this off, just like that, and that's my battery. So whenever my battery's dead, I need to recharge it. I just pull the butt off, plug it up. If this thing was 100% dead, it only takes 90 minutes to get this back to a full charge, and it's got enough power to pick up 3,000 yards of line. So you pretty much fish all day on this. But also, if you have a multiple offshore trip, maybe you're going down to Pulley Ridge or something like that, and you're out there for 4 or 5 days, you can easily purchase multiple batteries, have them in a bag, and as one dies, you can just hook it back up. Really, really simple. A couple of specs on this rod is that the rod is 6'9" and only weighs 1.8 pounds, fully assembled, just like this right here. So awesome. Couldn't be more stoked with this partnership. Can't wait to get this thing on the water, get it to use. Like I said, this Sunday we're going to be going out, so that'll probably be the next fishing trip that y'all see from us. We'll be using this rod out there to hopefully catch some golden tilefish, queen snapper, snowy grouper, you name it. We're going to be going after it. But yeah, we'll go ahead, we're going to rig up our reel, give y'all a look, and kind of see how it looks fully assembled. And this is what it looks like with the reel fully attached. So that's where the cords come out, connect right there to the reel. Real simple, right? Out there jigging, working it. All of our cords are out the way. Awesome little deal. This is the Daiwa Seaboard 300J. And yeah, that's the reel that was recommended by Jeremy at Dominion Rods to slap on there. But super stoked to put this to use. Also, If y'all are looking to pick up a Dominion rods, if y'all like this or the reel, any of this, y'all can always stop in here at Cedar Swamp there in Gulfport, Mississippi. If you're along the Gulf Coast, be sure to stop in, check them out. They'll spool everything up for you and get y'all fully rigged up with this same setup.